Number 6, we want to fill in the blank with the correct inequality symbol. So we're going to have to use a little bit of imagination here and just kind of guess and check some possibilities. So we're told that x is less than 8. So we can pick any number less than 8. So then once we do that, we want to know x minus 8 is what compared to 0. So if x is less than 8, and let's just say 7, for example. Let's say x equals 7. We can pick anything less than 8. And I do 7 minus 8. Then when I do 7 minus 8, that gives me a negative 1. And when I compare negative 1 to 0, then I can see that negative 1 is less than 0. Therefore, x minus 8 should be less than 0. Okay, so that's the symbol that we need. You're given something that is true. You pick a number, apply it so you can kind of see what's happening, and that will allow you to fill in this blank. So you can pick any number that you pick less than 8 will give you this result. If you pick 5, you're still going to get a negative number no matter what you pick. So we want less than. Number 7, again, we're going to fill in the blank with the correct symbol. So if x is greater than 3 this time, so we have x greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to 3. So we need to look at two cases in this sense. We need to look at equal to 3 and then something bigger than 3. So we're going to say x, we're going to just let x equals 3, and we can let x equal 4. Just really small numbers, and we're going to solve this. So if I have negative 4 times x, what is that when I compare it to negative 12? And since we have equality, you got to think about both cases. So first I'm going to do 3. So negative 4 times 3. What is that compared to negative 12? So negative 4 times 3, that gives me negative 12. Compared to negative 12. They are equal. Okay. And then if I try 4, so let's say negative 4 times 4. So I'm just still referring back to my original problem. This is what I'm trying to figure out. And I'm just replacing different values of x. Here I replace it with 3. Here I'm replacing it with 4. And negative 4 times negative 4 times positive 4 gives me a negative 16 compared to negative 12. Now this time negative 16 is less than 12. Negative 12. This is closer to 0. So we have equal to or less than. So if x is greater than or equal to 3, then this expression is going to be less than or equal to negative 12. We get the equal to from when it's equal to 3, and if I'm greater than 4, anything I do is going to just make this number bigger when we multiply by 4, so it's going to be smaller in terms of negative. So we want less than or equal to in this case.